a lot of houses.
Not like in Thailand, you buy your own.
And I don't know, maybe they become a little bit bigger, I don't know. And I make not the same house, I make only the house thing here. Only a little bit blocks. They say blocks here for the stone.
Ôi, ang dunya sa baang.
In Thailand, the name for the blocks is itbog.
Say hi to your fiancé, mother. Say hi to your fiancé, your future husband.
If you build a house
Hi,
yourself,
Mike.
and I signed it
That's all?
in Thailand, same myself. It's my creation.
How about
How many
you, Atitalia?
months you build
Are
this
you excited?
The both roof here.
Ano sila eh?
The both roof. It
Sabi
took 3
ka,
months.
nalagay macho sa gawas.
one? You're the only one who...
Talaga excited. Very excited. Kaya makakasama na siya.
That I will not
Makakasama
come
niya yung fiancé niya pagtulog. Magka-baby sila.
For the motorbike, there will only come one. And I made it only because the rain are going in the door. And the wood became bad.
Do you have neighbors? Do you have neighbors here?
Na may macho. Doon yan na magnaningkura sa Italia.
That's my neighbor over the street. She's 73. And the earth there is the next neighbor. You cannot see the house. There is no photo with the house.
You're still using this one?
What is with the tractor?
You still use that one?
I have to say now.
Okay.
You cannot bring here. That door I will not build now. That is the door for the motorbike. And there are only coming a window for the one room and one window coming there. And the rain and the sun was going into the door. Because of that I built the roof.
Is this a car?
Tractor. Not
A
a car.
tractor.
Di na car.
You can ride the tractor going to that town?
Yeah, I take you to Thailand and you bring the tractor to Philippines.
No. You ride that one when you're going to the city or town? We'll ride the tractor. You said.
Oh, in Germany I move, I
Ay,
ride
tago-tago
with
dira
all
ay.
my machines, with the cows and all, 200 kilometers. I have more neighbors. Here is the house of the sister of my last girlfriend. But it's empty. She is gone at her son. Here is the house of the other neighbor.
Your best friend.
How many best friend do you have in Thailand?
How many?
Best friend. Friend.
Friends?
Yeah.
3.
3 only?
One family and one foreign of Norway. Oh, tomorrow we can look in iPad. It's a special house. And I took that, I show it here the people. And I thought they know the man.
Kini. Kini, kini.
Call outside video.
Kini, kini. Kini, kini.
Simot na kagayo diyo.
Beraha, beraha.
I get no internet here. It's the problem.
Kini, babi, babi.
About
Where are
here is Taliban. And
Please
here is
like,
Boga.
comment, and subscribe
And I know
to
very
our
fast.
channel.
Here I have
Have
to
a
look
good day
for it.
and God bless. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
There's another.
Pag-asal mo.